This video will review the steps to replace a power supply in a Daktronics Galaxy GS6 or GT6 message center. For your safety, disconnect power to the display prior to service. To access the power supply, first remove the module nearest the power supply using a 1/8 inch hex wrench. Disconnect the power supply from any wiring harnesses connected to it. Depending on your model, you may see one of several styles of mounting bracket for the power supply. On the Galaxy GS6, you may see a bracket with a tab or a wire form bracket. To remove a power supply from the tab bracket, simply pull on the tab to free the power supply from the bracket. To replace, pull the tab open and guide the power supply into position, aligning it with the pegs on the bracket. Close the tab and verify the power supply is secure. To remove a power supply from the wire form bracket, push down on the top leg of the wire form bracket and rotate the power supply assembly clockwise to remove the bracket. Remove the power supply from the mounting bracket. To replace, position the new power supply into the bracket and reinsert the bracket legs into the corresponding slots in the mounting location. Power supplies on the Galaxy GT6 are mounted to the display backsheet using Phillips screws. To remove the power supply, simply loosen the two bottom screws and then remove the top screw. To replace, guide the power supply into position, resting it on the bottom screws. Insert and tighten the top screw, and then tighten the bottom screws. After the power supply assembly has been secured in place, reconnect the wiring harnesses, and then power up and test your display.